Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys just a small collective haul that I've received in the mail, and all this stuff is came in the mail the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I picked up is just these pens, these beadable pens. They are from Etsy, and I bought beads from her store, I believe. But this is the website. It's mjstylesbeadpens.etsy.com. So this is from Etsy, and I wanted to get certain colors because the last time I purchased these pens were from Amazon, but you don't get to choose your colors. They come in a pack of just a variety of the colors, and some of the colors I probably wouldn't even use. So this store on Etsy, they sell them separately. So I only wanted certain colors, and this pink right here was on back order for a long time, and this pink is also hard to find. So I got two pinks, the two whites, and then the gold, black, purple, and the blue. So I know that these are the colors that I will be using. So yeah, so go ahead and check out that website on Etsy if you want to just do individual colors. I think these may have been sold out again, but if you I think there's like a link or something where you can get notified when they do come in. So I purchased this from Etsy, and then also from one of my favorite stores online. It's called Scrappiness, and I always buy her dies, but they came in. She has these new dies. They're the those shadow dies, I believe that's what they're called. They're shadow dies, and I think I do have this sentiment already, but because it's the shadow die, which I love, I ended up buying them. So this one says, I think this one says, "Hello, my crafty friend." And this is what I mean by shadow dye. It has like the background and then the actual, what do you call this? Saying or whatever. But yeah, so this one I think this one says, "Hello, my crafty friend." And I believe I have this one in just without the shadow sentiment. So yeah, that's the word I was looking for, sentiment. Good lord. But anyways, I picked up this one, and then she has a few different ones, but these are the only two that I picked up. And this one says "Sending Paper Hugs" in the shadow die. So, and I believe I have this sentiment from a different company, but it just says "Sending Hugs," or no, it says "Paper Hugs." It just says "Paper Hugs," but this one's a shadow one, and it says "Sending Paper Hugs." So that's what I got from Scrappiness. And then I but I ordered from scrapbook.com on June 3rd. Well, not June 3rd. I ordered before June 3rd, and it was supposed to ship out June 3rd. But almost 3 weeks later, I guess I don't know what happened, but it got lost. So they resent it to me. And I picked up these shaker pockets by Tonic Studios, and I got them in the different sizes that they have, and they come in a 5-pack, I believe. Is this a 5-pack? Could be wrong. Oh yeah, 5. It's a 5-pack. So I picked it up in this size, this bigger size here. It's a 6x6. And there's different sizes. So these are the sizes that I picked up. This is a 5x7. And then this is like a slim card size, 3.5x8. So I picked up that, and then I also picked up, okay, so for those that have been following me, know that I have been collecting, what are these called? Rolodex, memory dex cards, right? And my collection has grown so much. And I think because of the bulkiness of them, they've been taking space from here. So I ordered finally. I do have a black one of these memory decks spinners. I have a black one, but I could not resist the pink one. The pink one was on sale and it doesn't cost that much, so I got the pink one. Look, that's what it looks like. So I got the pink one, and then I also ordered it with the stopper, assuming that since I have a lot in my current situation here, but the spinner, I'm not sure if it will just flop down. So I'm assuming this is what the stoppers are for. So I purchased this as well. Okay, so that is from scrapbook.com. Put this over here. And then from Amazon, or not Amazon, we'll move on to things that have came in the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks, from AliExpress. These are super duper cute. Let me just move everything. Okay, so these were super cute. I thought these came with hooks, but they don't. But look at how cute. They are little cookies with the little kawaii faces. So I don't know if you guys are have been noticing. I've been buying a lot of kawaii stuff from AliExpress. They're just so super cute. So I purchased that, and I will put the links down below as usual if you guys are interested. And this right here, this one was kind of expensive. I kept on, like, it's in my cart, but I kept on debating if I should get it. And then the price, I guess, went down like just a tad bit. But these were inspired by, who are these inspired by? Angela. Because she had made me a dangle. And I saw this, and all the dangles that she sent me were teeny tiny. And I saw the little bow on it and fell in love. So I ended up getting it, but look at how, like, all the colors are so pretty, and look at their little charms, and look at how tiny they are. Like, this is my pinky. Super, super cute. So they come in all these colors, and it comes in like this little plastic storage here. So I picked up that. And then, oh my gosh, so I didn't think these, I think these are like resin charms. I didn't think that they were going to be this huge, but I bought these really cute cassette tapes. Look at, and it says 90s best hits. But I didn't think they were going to be that big. Look at how big they are. But that's okay, because I still will rock these. So these are super cute. I love them. I love the colors. And then with these, you would probably have to put a bell. Like if you're going to use them on a dangle or something, I would put the dangle in the corner right there so that it will hang like this. So again, I will put the link down below just in case you guys are interested in these big cassette tapes. Super cute. I normally don't share dies because they're hard to like see when you show them and you don't have an example of them. This one is pretty self-explanatory, and I thought I would show you guys because it's super cute. It's a bag topper, and it's a lemon shaker bag topper. So if you could see, just imagine. So I thought this was super cute. It fits perfect like for summertime. And it's a shaker. So I picked up this, and I'll put the link down below. And then last but not least, I picked up a bunch of beads, and I'll show you guys what they look like. I don't even have these colors, so that's why I picked them up. And these are smaller than the normal, like 20 millimeter. I think these are 16, I want to say. But I picked them up in the red and the white. And they were only like $1 something. So you get $1 something for like 10 of them. So I picked it up in that color, which I didn't have this style here, and I picked it up in the yellow. Super cute. And this color I definitely did not have. It's like a baby blue. And then this is a more brighter pink than I had thought that it looked like, but I still picked it up because I thought that was really cute. I got it in the pink, and then of course I also got it in the black and white. So yeah, that is my collective haul that I wanted to show you guys. All the links for the AliExpress items will be down below for you, just in case you guys are interested. I hope everybody has a beautiful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.